Good morning, guys. I cannot believe we have another snow day, but here we are. Here is our plan for today. It's very similar to what we would be doing if we were at school. Um, Going through our regular vocabulary activities and with our homophones and our context clues. Today you will be doing the weekly practice. So make sure you do submit that for me. And the Padlet page is up for your compound sentence. If you can't remember the one you wrote yesterday, just rewrite a new one today, and remember it will have two subject nouns and two verbs. And then for Indiana history, we're going to move on to lesson 2 in chapter 4. And so what I've done is I've taken all of the text from the book and I put it on one side of the screen, and then your notes are on the other side of the screen. You just have to fill in the blanks. It's not word for word like you have had in the past. So you're going to have to read a little bit, and then you'll have to go back to the notes and kind of um, put the answers where they make sense. Okay, so it might not be exactly word for word. And then continuing from yesterday in book club, we were talking about the theme of the story of Sign of the Beaver. So today you are going to do what was the back side of that paper. It's linked to Canvas, or I'm sorry, to Seesaw. So you'll need to do that there, and it does result in a 5-sentence paragraph. But if you do the work at the top, including an introduction and a closing or concluding sentence, you will have 5 sentences. And then just doing math boxes for math today. All right, let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or Miss Borlick, and we will get back to you when we can. We'll be checking our email throughout the day. Thanks, guys.